All right, so to be negative 5 times 4, these are basically 1, like 1x, y, 4, 1, 4. So this would be negative 20. The numbers will multiply to give you that. I could go up the x term. So x3 plus x5, yeah, y2 plus 4. Good job, you got it. So this would be negative 20. X plus the 3 plus the 5 would give us x8, and then this would give us y6. All right, good job, good job. Could try one more. All right, try that one here. Negative x2, x5 times y8 times 3x6 times 4y to the third power. All right, so I'm going to put the numbers together. Minus 2 times 3 times 4, right? I'm going to start with the x now. So x5 times x6, and then of course y8 times y3. I'm do that one in the long way. So negative 2 times that, it give us negative 2 times 3, that's negative 6, negative 6, so that's minus 24. The rule say we add the powers, right? So it would be x5 plus 6, yeah, and then y8 plus the 3. So this will be negative 24 x11. Yeah, it's correct. Both of them correct. Good job, good job. Hi, morning. Hello? Hi, morning. Hearing me? Hello? Hi, morning. Hearing me? Okay. Oh, yeah, sorry. My phone come like a call center sometime. Yeah, man, we're starting tomorrow. Yeah, we are starting tomorrow. Summer school tomorrow. All right, let's see. After this, we're going to do one with the negative index, all right? All right, so negative 2 times 4 times negative 4 times positive 2. All right, cool. And then now we have the x's, so x5 times x6. Yeah, you got that part correct. Good job. Y8, you got this part as well. All right, negative index we are going on. 2 times 4, that's negative 8. Negative 8 times that gives us positive 32. Yeah, so this is 64. We'll add the powers, so 5 plus 6, and then 8 plus 3. So 64, x11, y11. Very good. You are awesome. All right, I could do one with a negative index now to make it more challenging. Yeah, we could start off. So, all right, so go ahead and send me that one, and then we can discuss. All right, so group the numbers. So negative 6 times 3 times 2. All right, let's deal with the x's now. So we have x to the minus 3 times x to the 5th, and of course we have y to the minus 8. So 6 threes, 18, so that's minus 18 plus 2 minus 36. Group the x's now, so negative 3 plus 5, and of course y to the minus 8. So this work out to negative 36. This work out to positive 2. The 5 is bigger, so this is x squared, and of course just y to the minus 8. All right, good job. All right, I'm going to cut out some of the numbers now. I'm going to just make it the letters, all right? You could just sum with some letters. So x to the minus 5 times y to the 8 times x squared times y to the minus 6. Let's go. All right, so group as usual. So x to the minus 5 times x squared times x to the 8 times y. No, this is supposed to be y. I'm saying it's having. All right, so we add now. So minus 5 plus 2 y 8 plus minus 6. So this will work out to negative 3 since the 5 is bigger, and then we have positive 2. So x to the minus 3, y to the second power. This is what you got. Let me just check quickly. Yeah, good job, good job. All right, we'll try some division now. Now, when we're dividing, we divide the numbers normally. But you see, for the index or the power, the negative, let me show you something first. Let's say we have x to the 6 divided by x to the 2, right? What it is, it literally means you have x 6 times, multiplied by itself 6 times. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Divided by x times itself 2 times. So each one will cancel. So you have what? X to the 4th. So it's as if we are subtracting, right? So because it could just say 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. And that's it. So try this one and then you can do. Alright. Let me just pause back this. So we divide the numbers normally, right? So 2 into negative 6, that will leave negative 3. For these now, when you are dividing, you subtract. So it will be 5 take away 2. So 5 take away 2, 3. Remember, when we're dividing, it's as if we subtract. Let me show you another example. Let's say you have x to the 3 divided by x to the 2. It's the same thing as saying x times x divided by x times x, right? So x cancel x, that leave x to the 1. So it's as if we are saying 3 take away 2, so x is 1. All right?
I get it.
All right, let's go. First one that I get incorrect, I could just mash it up and then make it more complicated, all right? I'll try that one. I could take it from here and gradually go up. So divide the numbers normally. All right, and we subtract the powers. So that'll be x to the 4. This is known as x to the 1, right? So this will be minus 2. 4 take away 1, 3. One more. Let's go. All right, one more. Try this one again. And then we can discuss. 16x to the 6 divided by 8x squared. That's it. All right, good job. So this will be x to the 6 minus the 2, right? So this will be 2. 6 take away 2, 4. I could make it a little bit more complex. So I basically give you more than one letter. Let me show you what I mean. Instead of just one letter, we're going to put more letters, all right? Like, let me show you. Let's say we have 15 x to the 5th, y to the 8th, for example, divided by 3 x to this. Try this one. All right, so 15. I'll set it up the long way. X to the 5th, y to the 8th. May I give you a negative now? Negative index now, right? So 15 divided by 3, that give you 5, right? Now remember we are subtract. So 5 take away 2. And of course 8 take away 3. And of course 5. Very good, very good. I'm going to make it interesting. Can I make it go in at 10 minutes? You're awesome. But may I put negative now, right? Try this one. 16x to the minus 5, y to the 2 divided by 8x squared, y third.
So did you say 16 or 15?
16.
Okay.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. All right, so we divide the numbers normally. And we subtract the powers, right? Because of divide. So why we not have the 8? So this is going to give you a positive 2. Both of them negative, right? So this will give you minus 7. 2 minus 3, that give you negative 1. So the final answer, 2x to the minus 7, y to the negative 1. All right, this will be the last one for today. Try those. So that'll be the last two. Last one rather, last one. So 12 divided by 6. That is 2. All right, so now we have x to the 5 minus, because divide means to minus, minus 8, right? Y3 minus minus 2. So this now will become 5 plus 8. And of course, 3 plus 2. So this would be 2, 5 and 8, that's what, 13, and y to the 5th. All right. So enjoy the rest of your day and enjoy your week, and I'll see you next week. All right.
Next week Sunday, right, sir?
Yeah, because you can't make this actually. Yeah.
Yeah.
But we have to
Okay.
change the time. We have to go change the time.
Okay, so
Okay.
what time?
10. Come and have the pep next week. So paper start this week.
Okay, sir.
All right. Great job, though. Great job.